Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
Oppo Reno 11 series just launched before few days ago. Fast refresh rate OLED display, DSLR level portrait camera setup, superb in design, fast charging and many more. Today I'm gonna show you detailed review of the Oppo Reno 11 and Oppo Reno 11 Pro. Hey guys, Mikey from techmaiky. Please consider subscribing, turning on the notification by hitting that bell icon for more amazing tech videos. The Oppo Reno 11 and Oppo Reno 11 Pro differ slightly in weight. The Oppo Reno 11 weighs 184 grams while the Pro version hits 190 grams. Both the phone features a matte texture on their backs, adding a pleasing tactile feel and providing a good grip for comfortable single-handed use. Changing the angle of the phone reveals varying textures, especially in the moonlight gemstone color variant, where a three-dimensional design emerges. The distinct design not only makes the phone look different but also catches the eye with its uniqueness. The green color of the Reno 11 Pro also boasts a distinctive design, showcasing a natural effect that enhancing its appeal. Unlike some other phones, this one doesn't reveal the different effects with changes in the angles. When viewed outdoor, 11 Pro exhibits a blue view. Among these colors, which one did you prefer more? Let me know in the comment section below. Taking a look at the camera module in the Oppo Reno 11 series, it presents a somewhat distinct design. Observing it from the side, you will notice a different layout within the module along with the visible textures. Inside the module, there are two circles where the camera lenses are positioned. The Oppo Reno 11 boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with a maximum brightness level reaching up to 950 nits. Meanwhile, the Oppo Reno 11 Pro features the same dynamic light shadow screen found in the Oppo's flagship series, the Find X6. This Pro variant offers a 6.74-inch 1.5K OLED display capable of hitting a maximum brightness level of 1600 nits. Additionally, the Pro model supports Pro HDR, enhancing its ability to restore light and shadow dynamically in the more true-to-life manner. In the Oppo Reno 11 series, there is a significant leap in the camera performance, along reaching the DSLR class quality. Both phones offers a 32 megapixel portrait lens, 50 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera. While there are a slightly difference in the main camera between the Reno 11 and Reno 11 Pro, it's not a major concern. You can actually check out some sample photos to see the result firsthand. The portrait stills from the Reno 11 indeed offers an intriguing quality. When you observe the background in the photo, it exhibits a natural feel similar to DSLR camera. Even when zooming in, you will notice detailed precision and impressive effects that enhancing the overall image. On the other hand, looking at the Oppo Reno 11 Pro's camera samples, there is a significant light ratio in this environment. The highlights are well rendered and there is a balance and prevent the character's skin tone from the appearing overexposed. This is precisely why the Oppo labels this camera the DSLR portrait, capturing these elements effectively. Absolutely, the Oppo Reno 11 series doesn't just excel its portrait photography, it delivers the stunning natural photos as well. In this natural source, you will notice a beautiful background blur, like in the captivating flower photos. Color are rendered with a comfortable and appealing feel, enhancing the overall experience. These are plenty of regular photo samples available showcasing the impressive capabilities of the Oppo Reno 11 series. Talking about the OS, it comes equipped with the ColorOS 14, which is based on the Android 14 and introduces the numerous new features, adding to the overall appeal of the phone. Absolutely, with the Oppo Reno 11 series, transferring files becoming the breeze. You can easily hold and transfer the files. Moreover, the innovative aspect lies in the ability to cut out the elements from the photo. You can cut out the sections from the photos taken with the camera and paste them into the various applications. Notification and news on the phone are considered into the peel-shaped icon, providing detailed information upon holding it. A fantastic feature for the daily use. Overall, the ColorOS 14 brings several improvements. It doesn't introduce extensive changes across the board. Absolutely, the Oppo Reno 11 series make file transfer effortless. You can easily hold and transfer files. On the battery aspect, there are new technology available in this phone. The technology also extended the battery life and the company has made a promise even after 4 years of use, the battery will retain 80% of this capacity. If the battery falls below 80% within these 4 years, you can replace for free. Speaking of the Oppo Reno 11 price, the base variant starts around 2,499 Chinese yuan, roughly converting to about 278 UK pounds, and 358 US dollars. The base variant of the Oppo Reno 11 Pro starts around 3,499 Chinese yuan, roughly 389 UK pound and 495 US dollars. In the conclusion, the Oppo Reno 11 series offers an ultimate camera experience, especially with the outstanding portrait effects. Even in the regular camera mode, it captures impressive photos. Additionally, the overall looks and design of the phone are quite impressive. From the camera standpoint, this phone is truly superb. So what do you guys think about it? Tell us your thought in the comment section below. If you have any questions, also give this video a thumbs up and make sure to share it with your friends. Lastly, subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech videos. Well, me signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and keep smiling.
But maybe there's magic, believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all